Good morning from day 2.
Morning. Oh, we're foggy, aren't we?
We are a little bit misty.
The humidity.
The humidity of it all. So on our way to Animal Kingdom, and they say it's extra magic hours, but
I messed up.
and they say we checked the TV screen and not realised that last night that after midnight was still showing for the day before.
It said Saturday the 6th, so we just assumed that it's grand. Just thought it was today. Then we woke up this morning to realise that it already started. So, sorry Rob.
So I'm an hour behind rides, but we'll make up for it.
Well, we're hoping the bus will be left at scene on.
That's it.
Because a lot of people would have gone to extra magic hours.
Hoping the queue inside as well for Bad Check won't be as manic as it was at Magic Kingdom yesterday.
It's cool night today.
It is cool today. As given thunderstorms as well. This is the first time I've been here, and we've only been here 2 days, but I've seen clouds in the sky as well.
Yeah.
I've also aged like 100 years. We were walking out the room and there was a group and lads said, they were lovely. And they said, oh, I like your tattoos, sir. And I was like, sir? Me? And they said, I'm no sir. But no, they were lovely. And they say, put me in a good mood. And they say, we've got Yachts Club tonight, haven't we? The Yachtsman. I don't know these places.
The Yachts Club.
You're going to the
Yacht
Club.
Club.
Yeah. So I was right.
The Yachts Club.
The Yachts Club. So I'm hoping it's going to deliver on steak. And they say what else?
Very good things.
That's it. You heard really bad things about Hannah's, and then we loved it yesterday.
I didn't hear bad things. I heard mixed reviews. All the vlogs I've watched, it was really good. But then when I've been reading my dining reports, not so good. So
Have to wait and see on
our
that one.
verdict was 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
To be honest, it was 7 out of 5. But anyway.
Do you know it was 8 out of 5?
What?
The little man at the monorail gave us fast passes. We never got his name.
We might see him again.
Last night it was like Bort or something. But that's the guy behind the castle, isn't it? So I think I've made that up.
And they say, what's our first fast pass today?
Navi River Journey.
And then we've got the best coaster at Disney as well today.
You don't know, you've not been on it yet.
I've got a t-shirt saying bet otherwise. We've got Exhibition Everest, and we've also got Dinosaur later on in the day. So we're going
to head to the bus.
That's it. Can't fill our mugs up, we both left them
In the room. Oopsies.
Anyway, we'll catch you on the flip side. So we finally made it to Animal Kingdom.
This is like no theme park I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, look Rob!
Oh my days.
Turn the camera on! Oh my god. What? This is mad.
Crazy, so different. Say, nothing like we've ever seen before.
It's absolutely different.
And they say we had some nice guys and security in the bag check today as well.
I love the cast members and the security. You think the security that their job is to be like,
That's
but
it.
they're so jokey and friendly and lovely.
And they say very good few jokes today. Star Wars joke, a joke about Stitch. And then Leanne getting compliments on a dress. So we're off now, we're going to Pandora. By the Tree of Life, I think, just so we can get that that photo all for Insta.
Oh my
which
god.
I believe is. You don't know where you are. Yeah. So we're just going to have our photo pass opportunity. And then we'll go from there. So we're just seeing the Tree of Life. So there isn't any filming because it's absolutely beautiful, spectacular.
We got some photo passes for it.
Yeah. And so we're going to go back later on. It's just because we've got to get to Pandora for our fast pass. Navi River Journey. So we're just
We've got time, we've got like 20 minutes.
Yeah. But we wanted to have a quick meander through. We want to be taken back by like, how beautiful Pandora is. I've heard so much about it.
You've not really like seen anything. I've watched quite a few vlogs and stuff. You've not really sort of seen anything to do.
No, I've seen a couple of photos but nothing else. So we're just on the way now. They let you taking a bit of scenery so you don't have to see our faces all the time.
The view of that, the view of that.
2005. Not too long ago, right?
There it is. It's just coming up on the right hand side.
What can you take on my business?
I feel like it's going to be one of those big reveal moments turning around the corner.
You reckon?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my days. It's breathtaking. So we'll take you in for a closer look. Leanne's a little bit in shock. I don't know if it's shock or awe, one of the two.
Why did they do that?
Magic. That's how you do it.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. Do you know what? I'm not in the top toy, you know, so I wasn't expecting to do it. I actually cannot believe how beautiful this place is. There's Levy River Journey, we'll be going on there in 10. It's just unbelievable. So Disney's definitely good at making sure that you're fully immersed in absolutely everything. It does not feel like I'm in the middle of Florida right now. Well, heat-wise it does.
Who's ready to have some fun? Woo! Now everyone, put your hands together with us and come along. Come on. Everybody, even in the back, let's go. Yeah. All right, now we need you all to shout real loud the word salud. So let's hear it. Salud! Salud! One more time. Salud! Salud! Yeah, nice job, everybody. Keep those hands. Let's go. Salud! Okay, we need more drummers. Who wants to help us out and play some drums? Come on up here. Right here. Who else? Right here. Who else, man? Double, come on, let's go. Come on, my friend. Let's listen to your banshees. I don't hear any banshees.
Either.
Do you guys hear any banshees? No. How about over here? Yeah? What's it sound like? Make the noise. That's good. Good, yeah. All right. We got to call the big one. So everybody bring it up louder. Come on. You guys hear any banshees back there? Nope.
No?
How about over here?
No. Huh.
How about you? You know what that means? We gotta play louder. Everybody bring it! The banshees have heard you and they responded with their calls.
Yes, this is amazing! You all are incredible! And that guy, you too!
Yeah.
In fact, you're all now official Pandora drummers! Congratulations!
Did everybody have a good time? Woo! Pandora drummers, I said, did everybody have a good time?
Woo! Thank you for joining us at Swole to Wyatt.
Swole to Wyatt.
Now take this experience with you as you enjoy Pandora!
Keep it Welcome on Pandora.
Are you the favourite?
I think I was the favourite. If the if the recording doesn't show them the favourite, then I don't know what you've been
I've
recording.
got like good 10 minutes of that. I don't know if I'm going to put all of it in, but with the bits with him, yeah. Oh, sorry.
They got the right idea.
So beautiful. Just like you.
Oh, babe.
You're
Thanks. You're welcome.
That was amazing.
Yeah. That was really cool. I'm really glad they picked you out. Oh, this is beautiful.
They picked me out twice, didn't they? That's the thing.
Hello.
Hello, go ahead and scan. Are you recording?
I am. Hi. Thank you.
They walk down.
them.
What did you think?
Oh, it was amazing. They're absolutely spectacular. The charm in itself is unreal.
Like, I'd seen videos of it and I thought, yeah, it looks pretty realistic. Doesn't do it justice.
No video
It's like, it's breathtaking, isn't it? Don't get me wrong, I probably wouldn't wait 90 minutes for it, but it's visually beautiful.
Get at least one fast pass for
Like,
it.
if once we use our fast passes up on our other days, I would definitely do it again.
Yeah.
I just wouldn't wait in the queue.
Where we go when you want to head back
Yeah.
towards your life now. So there's no point of us going and trying to queue up. Oh, the queue's down 55.
Oh, 55. Still amazing.
We got free flight of passage, fast passes.
Later in the holiday, yeah.
So we're not going to wait around, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We're going to venture some other bits. So you can go back to the tree of life, take some of those Insta-worthy photos.
Yeah. Maybe get something to eat. We haven't eaten yet today.
What are you thinking of breakfast?
Maybe a cinnamon roll?
Yeah? Where are we getting a cinnamon roll from today? Cinnamon rolls on new thing.
I think it's like Creature Comforts.
Yeah.
It's a Starbucks.
Oh, I wonder why I want to get a creature comforts. So you want some kind of pumpkin spice related
No, I actually want one of those refresher drinks because I'm really hot. But yeah. Pandora, you're pretty damn awesome. We like you.
really beautiful.
We'll see how much we like you after Flight of Passage.
So Son's finally got the Starbucks. So she didn't get a pumpkin spice latte. She's not that basic.
Get a pumpkin scone now.
We have a pumpkin scone. Or a scone. I asked for a scone and the woman was like, a scone? And we had the cinnamon roll as well. The Mickey shaped one. So we didn't film us eating it though because we are starving. But I'm sure this one got some pictures. So is that one thing ticked off the bucket list now?
Yep.
So we're just heading over the Cali River Rapids now, and then we've got Everest later on. So it's getting a little bit busier now.
Harambe! Harambe!
So you shouldn't know what Cali River Rapids is, she's just going from wherever. So, in the wrong direction. Should we spin around? Yeah? So it seems like we're going into Africa to go to Asia then.
Oh, there's Tusker House.
So she's just seen Tusk House where she'll be meeting Donald later on. But it is a little bit busy. So a little bit of a peek view.
This way.
I see you want to bump their boy down there. You want to come down with me? Come on, don't be shy. Come on.
So we're now on the right direction. So this one's just enjoying a refresher. They spelled her name right as well, which makes a change. So we got a lot of Leans. But no, actually spelled Leanne. She didn't have a I think.
That felt nice.
So what felt nice?
That there was like a breeze, like a fan with water coming out of it.
So anyway, we're going to go on to Cali River Rapids. So we're not going to be filming on that one, I don't think.
We did bring the big GoPro.
Oh no, we did.
Did we?
Yeah, it's in my bag. And we might film on it then. We're going to wait and see.
I've got past on a different day for it anyway.
Yeah. Have we?
Look at the tree. You do?
No, I'm
So we've got looking at the tree like from a different direction now as well.
You're not
Spectacular, isn't it? Same. This is overtaking Magic Kingdom as Leanne's favourite park so far. We'll wait and see by the end of the day. After she does Everest, she might hate it. So she's still looking a little bit nervous about it. I think she's going to go on it and absolutely love it.
Dreading it.
No need to dread it.
Dreading it.
And just say there's no need. And just say it's not that scary. There's tree life again.
Look at the owl. There's no on it. There's no on it.
Owls are Leanne's favourite
Yeah, they're
animal.
my favourite.
You wonder why? Hey, Bala! But anyway, we're going to go on to Cali River Rapids. We'll do a little bit more filming later on. But for now, take care. So what happened then?
Cali River Rapids was a bust.
It broke
We
down.
did about 15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes and
it just didn't go. So
we noticed loads of people like were getting off in the other queue, and then when we walked past, it was like 5 rafts just stuck there.
So come do a little bit of safari track, and then we've got Everest. Can't even talk now. Everest, and this one's not looking forward to it at all.
Destiny Cinema.
What can we see in here, pants? She's behind the rocks. There you can see these.
Ah, a Komodo.
Yeah. So we've kind of seen the Komodo digging. So probably a bit more active than the one we see at Chester Zoo.
Yeah.
Chester Zoo just lies there. We're going through. You see, Leanne stopping at every fan possible to cool down. So her fans decided to be kaput. We don't know what happened to it, but we don't. It's not working anyway. Oh shoot! Yeah, I can see him just at the back there. Zoom in for everyone else. He's taking it easy, loving life. Another one coming across as well. They knew they were going to be on YouTube, they knew they were going to be on the vlog. Scratching his butt. Reminds me of someone else I know. You? Assumed it's your face. So, wiping his face down.
I see you up there.
So Leanne, how are you feeling about Everest?
I actually feel really nauseous about it.
You have no reason to be scared.
I'm not good with rats, as you can tell.
I'm a little bit scared. I'm going to just stop this because we're going in the back cave. So we're going to see some tigers now. It's very quiet today, isn't she? So hopefully we may see something. So look.
Look at over there. He's stretching. You see them? He's stretching. Oh, look. He's stretching. Now he's looking at himself. Oh. He's awake. He's awake. Oh, he's getting up. See, he's having to have some patience. Look at that. He's awake. Hi, baby.
Right, the time has come now. Leanne needs to face the fears. And so we're going to give Everest a try now. Fast passes in time now, so we'll give it a shot. So she's absolutely bricking it, but I think she'll be fine. And so she's done the backwards bit of Valhalla.
What's different?
Everybody's
How's
Roller coaster.
But you're still going backwards. There's no lap bar in Valhalla and you go backwards.
Version of Valhalla.
She's taking the rescue remedy, so she's good to go.
I'm not good to go.
And they say, well, I can smell cinnamon rolls as we walk past. And they say, but no, we're going to smash it out. She's going to love it. It's going to be a new favourite ride. It'll be like Splash Mountain Pool.
No.
Yeah, I reckon so. So, on our way now, it's quite busy around here, even though Cali River Rapids is closed. Still quite a few people about. So there's quite a little bit going on here. A lot going on in this face. Especially in that head of hers. She's overthinking everything. So, I believe we're here now. No. It's a Cali River Rapids, so we're not here now. What they say? If you want to do is Everest, we would have seen it by now.
Right. Pay attention,
Pretty cool t-shirts, and the cat t-shirt is yin and yang. The yin and yang cat t-shirt, why did you never tell me about this?
I can hear it. I can hear people screaming.
Screaming with joy.
We'll see about that.
So, heading down now. And it's seen the wait time's about an hour for this at the moment. So, glad we got our fast pass when we did. So, here we go, I can see it now. It's coming into view.
It's really good. Why am I doing this? I'm really
Because she loves me. There it is.
Oh my
In
god.
all of its beauty. There we go.
This is not ideal.
You'll be fine. Look at that. It's amazing.
I'd like to.
So we're going to get the Grantastic pitch outside with my t-shirt as well. But we're going to give it a shot. We're going to go from there. We'll see if I survive, which I reckon I will. See if this one survives, but I reckon she will. But we'll have to wait and see. And that's us done on Exhibition Everest, and someone survived. Someone kind of enjoyed it.
Didn't like the backwards bit.
Apart from the backwards bit, she loved every other single bit
I love
of it.
the big drop is cool. I really enjoyed that. But
That's it.
you do feel like you're going upside down. My skirt blew up. I was like, oh my god.
I absolutely love this. My new favourite ride of the trip.